Hi everyone, this is Billy. I'm very happy to tell you that I finished all the soldering of this Modular Crystal Radio and it's ready to rock. As soon as the weather in Hong Kong is getting better, I will be putting this to the test. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn this into the operation mode where the coupling of the coil can be adjusted and slide through a long track. Every time I made a project, I won't just make it work. I will try to make improvement. For example, this coil frame is very hard to print. I modified the design to make it easier to print. So you can print it this way without a lot of trouble getting it to work. And it's quite strong. I've enhanced the strength of this ring here. But I have got no time to rewind all my coils, so it's still in the original design. But I will be sharing these modules to you, the 3D print files to you, so you can make it yourself. But don't ask me whether I sell this radio. I am just a hobbyist, amateur, and I have no time or no energy to engage in any business activity. I'll just make it for everyone to download and print it yourself. If you see fit, you can download it and print or adjust the design a bit to suit what you need. This is the final design of my modular crystal radio. I make certain adjustments on the wiring frame for the coil, so make it easier to print. You can actually replace the big air coil with the ferrite ring. You can just replace these coil modules according to your needs. This is the setup with all the coil made of ferrite toroid. You can see that they are in 90 degrees from the neighboring ones. So even if there's any slight chance of coupling between them over the air, it will be reduced if you arrange neighboring coils in 90-degree positions. So that's how this thing can work with a regular ferrite toroid coil instead of the big air coil. I'm very happy to show you my finished product. The modular crystal radio set is all soldered up and ready for testing. You can take a good look. This is the audio module. This is the antenna tuner module. This is the tuner module with the detector. And this is the trap module with the ferrite toroid. And this is the carrying frame, which used to look like this, but you can hook up this post in different ways. When you hook it up as a carrying case, it will look like this. Okay. And when you unscrew this post and connect it together like this, it will be a sliding track. Then you can now install your module for testing. First the trap module, then the antenna tuner module, then the tuner module, and finally the audio module. Some of you may be interested to put the amplifier here as well in the audio module if you can't hear well using the earbud. I leave some space for you to hook up any circuit board. But for me, I will rather do without the amplifier and just listen to it using the pure headphone without amplification. And finally, we will use a side panel to hold the track together. Okay, so this is it. Modular crystal radio. On the side, there's another one. So we always push the audio module all the way to the right. The tuner module, if you want to reduce the interference from the audio module, you can leave a space here. Then the trap module on the far left, the antenna module can slide. If you want a stronger coupling over the air, then you can move it closer together or even just touching it. You can adjust the distance accordingly. Then you have the trap module where you can filter out the strong station and listen to the weak station. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. Do subscribe and give me a like if you like this type of video. Thanks a lot.